At times, it is good to leave your diet at the door and make room for best burgers by Culinary Hub. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I will start tenderizing the chicken thigh pieces that I am using today. I am using a meat tenderizer. This makes the chicken soft and helps it to absorb the flavors better. Then I will season the chicken pieces with salt, crushed white pepper powder, a little amount of paprika powder and garlic salt. I'll be adding a little amount of white vinegar as well and a little amount of hot sauce. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and coat the chicken pieces well and allow it to marinate for half an hour. For the coating, I'll be using 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of corn flour, seasoning it with little amount of salt and adding the rest of the white pepper powder and paprika powder as well. I'll be adding a little amount of baking powder. This makes the coating very crispy. Mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly and I'll be taking around 2/3 cup of this prepared mixture in another bowl. Add 1 egg to it and a little bit of vinegar. This avoids any eggy odor. Mix all the ingredients and adding water gradually, I'll make a lump-free batter. For the rest of the flour mixture, I'll be adding a tiny amount of water and rubbing it thoroughly. This helps in formation of flakes that makes the chicken extra crispy. Then I'll be taking the marinated chicken piece and dipping it in the prepared batter. And again coating it with the flour mixture. I'll try to press as much as the flour as possible. And the chicken piece is ready for frying. Once I've prepared enough chicken pieces, it is the time for frying. I'll be heating a little amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll start frying the prepared chicken pieces. You can make out how crispy the chicken pieces looks. Once they are nice golden brown in color, it is the time to take it out. Drain all the excess oil and start toasting the buns on a hot skillet. I'll be using a little amount of butter to toast the burger buns. Once the buns are ready, I will allow it to cool. And now it is the time to assemble the burger. I'll be applying a generous amount of homemade mayonnaise, which I have seasoned with little salt, pepper powder and crushed garlic. Please check the link on the top right for the recipe. Then I'll be placing the prepared chicken zinger piece, followed by adding spicy mayo. Then I'll place one slice of cheese and place another piece of prepared chicken zinger, and then goes the lettuce and a slice of tomato. For the other half of the bun, I'll be using the spicy mayo, and the burger is ready for relishing. Have a burgerlicious time, and thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.